I'd like to continue with our lesson about countable and uncountable nouns. And in looking at this, we're going to look a little bit of what is happening with kind of rules for them. So we can look at countable nouns. You can count them. There might be 1, 2, 3 things, but uncountable, such as stuff, it's just stuff. You can't count it. You can count the things that make up the stuff, but you can't count stuff. 1 stuff, 2 stuff. No. So we can recognize the countable things. You can recognize each one, like a tall table, a short table. But yet the uncountable, it's kind of hard to hold them, or it's even sometimes hard to see, like love. You can have 1 heart, 2 heart, but love, it's something you feel, like an emotion. And sometimes you can't hold it because it escapes from you at times when that one love gets away from you. Singular and plural tends to be your countable nouns. 1 onion, 2 onions. But it's usually only singular when we talk about garlic. You need to add garlic to your cooking. You can use a and an, which are ways to count as 1. But when you do an uncountable, you need to say a blank of, such as our nouns that we just had on Sunday. You need to be able to have those collective nouns, a group of people, a house full of furniture, but yet you can count a sofa, a television, a table, a carpet, and then we can have some or any as a way to do countable nouns. You might have some pillows. We don't have any new carpet, but yet when you talk about uncountable, you can also use some and any. There are some garlic that needs to be added to the meal. Excuse me. And you might say there shouldn't be any garlic in the meal. And we're going to look at few and many. You can talk about a few chairs. You can talk about many chairs. But when you talk about uncountable, you might have a little furniture, or there might be much furniture inside the home. So these are the ways that we can be looking at how to look at countable and uncountable nouns.